Your car needs repaired and you're wondering, do I take it to the dealership? Do I go to an independent mechanic? Well, we've got an independent mechanic here who's got some insight on this.
Yeah.
Brian, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Randy.
So when would you use a dealership? And, when would it be better? Probably maybe to go to an independent mechanic like yourself.
That's a great question.
Let's start with the dealership.
Yeah, okay. Well, dealership, if you have a car that's under warranty,
Okay.
right? Whatever the warranty is, you got to go back to the dealership, right? And you've got to go to the one. If you have a Ford product, you've got to go to a Ford dealership. You can't take it to a GM, right?
All right.
That's the way it works.
Makes sense.
So the dealership is the place to go for a warranty. If there's a recall, a safety recall or something, you've got to go back to the dealership for that.
Okay.
Besides that, you really don't have to go, and there's clear advantages why you could use somebody like us over them.
Well, I got to tell you, when I think of a dealership, it seems like it's always going to cost a little more. But I will say, they're using the original, the OEM equipment. If I've got a Subaru, that seems maybe worth paying extra for going to the dealership.
Well, in some cases, that is the better part, right? It's the original equipment part.
Yeah.
Some cases, the aftermarkets figure out how to re-engineer it and then solve the problems that was engineered into that part. That's why they're common failures. So the aftermarket has some solutions that are actually better.
And I just want the warranty. I just want to know it's going to work.
So the dealerships are all standard, pretty much 12 months, 12,000 mile warranty.
Okay.
We buy parts from them if we have to, right? If we know that's the best part for the car, that's where we're going to get it from.
Sure.
We're going to give you 3 months, 36 months, 3 years, 36,000 miles on the exact same part. So 3 times the warranty for the same part.
I get a better warranty coming in.
Yeah, and probably will be less money.
Well,
yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
Right.
All right, what are some other reasons?
Well, another big one is that they don't have a whole lot of people that are good with diagnosing a problem. They know from pattern failures what the problem might be, so that's what they're going to recommend and put that part on.
So the guy at the dealerships on one bay is going, "Hey, Fred, I got this
I saw
problem.
these last week and it was this. Try that."
Okay.
Right. So they put that on the car and it doesn't fix it. Well, they call the customer back, try something else. We don't have the luxury to do that, so we actually have to diagnose the car, and we're very good at that because we've gotten good at it. We had to.
So you get it right.
We get it right
Because that's on you anyway,
It's
right?
on me. It's on us. Yeah.
Jeez.
Absolutely.
What other reason other than your shiny, smiling face?
Warranty, price, customer service. We don't treat you like a number. That's a big one.
Okay.
We treat you like you're a member of the family. Like we all would. Whether it's the technician or the people at the counter, like if it was your mom or somebody else's mom, that's how we treat you.
My car is your car, sort of, too.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Okay.
You treat them how we'd like to be treated. Right?
Well, you heard some reasons, pro and con for a dealership or an independent mechanic. I'd give this guy a call just if you got some trouble with your car, just maybe have him take a look at it. And Brian, thanks a lot for sharing.
Yeah, thanks, Randy. Appreciate it.